Examples on calculation of residues. I will take some few examples on the simple pole as well as on the pole of order 2, and I hope you can refer the notes and you can solve the remaining examples. First one, find the residue of f z is equal to z upon z square minus 1 at z is equal to 1. It is asked for 2 marks for 2017. Now f of z, what it is given here, right? Factorize the denominator if it is having the factors z minus 1, z plus 1. Usually all the quadratic factors are having either real factors or imaginary factors. So z equal to 1 and minus 1 are poles of order 1, that is the simple poles. If R1 is the residue of f z at z is equal to 1, because it is asked to find only the residue at pole z is equal to 1, that is equal to limit of z minus 1 into f of z as z tends to 1, because it is a simple pole, and limit z minus 1 into f of z means f of z is equal to z upon z minus 1 into z plus 1. Z minus 1 get cancelled, you are getting 1 upon 2. Substitute, that is z equal to 1 there, 1 by 2. Therefore, residue at the pole z equal to 1 is 1 upon 2. Similarly, second example, e raised to z upon z square plus 1 whole square, and you have to calculate the residue at z is equal to I. So in this f of z you have tried, and z square plus 1 is having the factor z plus I and z minus I, and whole square is there, therefore you have tried the power 2 for both, and it is asked to find the pole only at the z is equal to I here. So let R1 be the pole of residue of the function f z as z equal to I, then R1 is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1 factorial, because it is of order 2, more than 1, therefore you have to apply second procedure, and limit of d by dz of z minus I whole square into f of z. So f of z, the value you have to substitute e raised to z divided by z plus I whole square, z minus I whole square, and automatically z minus I whole square and z minus I whole square get cancelled. So remaining function is just e raised to z upon z plus I whole square. This you have to differentiate and substitute the limit as z tends to I here. Then after differentiation, if you substitute the limit, we are getting it is 2 into I minus 1 whole square into e raised to I divided by minus 8i. Simplify this, I into I minus 1 into e raised to I divided by 4. So that itself is the residue of the function f of z at z is equal to I here. So these are the two examples. One is with simple pole, another